Every day, industries across the world are spending massive revenue on expensive fuels like furnace oil, LPG, natural gas, and diesel, just to keep their operations running. But in today's competitive industrial environment, rising fuel costs are becoming one of the biggest challenges for manufacturers. That's why industries are now shifting towards smarter, cleaner, and more energy-efficient technologies that can reduce operational costs without compromising performance. The focus today is not just production, it's efficiency, fuel savings, stable operations, and long-term sustainability. Industries like steel, ceramics, chemicals, textiles, food processing, and foundries are actively searching for solutions that provide reliable heating with lower fuel dependency. And this is where advanced coal gasification technology is making a major difference. With cleaner fuel generation, better combustion control, and improved thermal efficiency, industries can achieve more economical and consistent operations. Leading this transformation is CASE Group with its advanced CASE Cold Coal Gasifier technology. Engineered for reliable industrial performance, the CASE Cold Coal Gasifier delivers clean producer gas, efficient fuel utilization, and dependable continuous operation for modern industrial applications. As industries move towards smarter energy solutions, technologies like the CASE Cold Coal Gasifier are helping businesses reduce costs and improve operational efficiency for the future. The question is your industry ready for the change?